Timothy Chan had never invested in stocks before, but he had some spare cash when the coronavirus struck, so he decided a plunging stock market was the perfect time to invest.
I think this is like when you see some discount on the supermarket or a department store, and then you already have some items on your shopping list. So then when I see the discount, I will definitely go to buy the item. So I will see I have this kind of thinking when I'm choose to do investing in current situation.
Stockbrokers say they're seeing the biggest rush from Asian retail investors in more than a decade. Take mainland China, where the number of new investors more than doubled between February and March. Ankit Suri is the CEO and co-founder of a Hong Kong-based startup. The company has developed an app that offers personal finance management and tips for investing on the stock market. And since the onset of the pandemic, engagement on its app has more than tripled.
I think fintech is a lot about financial inclusion, and I think this particular crisis has given an opportunities for fintechs to do exactly that. What we have seen is users who had never invested before starting to invest, users who actually were living paycheck to paycheck now starting to think about saving more, and I think that's just great for financial wellness around Asia.
It took more than 5 years for some market indexes to recover from the previous financial crash back in 2008. But here in Asia, people are taking cues from previous epidemics instead. After the 2003 SARS outbreak, stocks on Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index nosedived. In the second half of that year, they surged by almost a third. Now, bargain hunters in 2020 are hoping to also buy low while they can. Still, the stakes are a lot higher this time. The pandemic has brought ordinary life to a standstill in ways not witnessed before. So just how risky is investing in stocks now?
I think it really depends on what they mean by being cheaper. If it's just cheaper than yesterday or last month, it doesn't mean that it's really cheap compared to fundamentals. In terms of risk, it really depends on what kind of trading strategy you have. If you are long-short hedge fund, then the high volatility certainly makes it more difficult.
But Chan says he's in it for the long haul, so the yo-yo market right now isn't of huge concern. He's hoping to enjoy the post-pandemic world with a nice return from his investments. Michelle Hennessy, TRT World, Hong Kong.